Hey, welcome to Mark's Family Cooking. Today we are looking at the staple for a British Sunday roast. Traditionally served with roast beef, but to be honest, they go with absolutely any roast, and that is Yorkshire puddings. Yeah, you can buy them from the freezer aisle, but making your own is so much more worth it. They look better, they taste better, so this is how you make Yorkshire puddings. Sift 100 grams of plain flour into a bowl and add a pinch of salt. Crack in 2 medium eggs and start to gently whisk it together, making sure you don't force the flour in. Just start in the middle, gently whisking. You want 275 ml of milk, add a splash just to start softening that mix, and then gradually start whisking all the milk in slowly, ensuring you've got no lumps. In your muffin tin, add 2 ml of oil to each hole. Now that my tin is filled with 2 ml of oil in each hole, I'm going to be putting it into the oven to heat up. The oven is 200 degrees C on a fan oven. If it's not a fan oven, you probably want it about 220, but that oil needs to be hot. So hot that when you drop the batter in, it starts sizzling. So just leave that at 10 minutes, I reckon, till that is proper smoking hot. When the oil's very hot, you want to fill each mould about half to 2/3 full of the batter and return to the oven to cook for 20 to 25 minutes to give you perfect Yorkshire puddings. That is how you make Yorkshire puddings. That little bit of extra effort makes your Sunday roast next level. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and please check me out on Instagram and Facebook as Mark's Family Cooking. Let me know how you get on making your own Yorkshires. Feel free to upload some pictures into the comment section below or post it on my Instagram page. Good luck. See you again soon. Happy cooking.